Hey guys, today we'll try to understand the remove method for arrays. Now, remove method is pretty simple. It is used to remove the first occurrence of an element in the given array. So here, unlike pop method where you have to specify the index number, here you have to specify the element by itself. Yeah. But if the element is not present, it will come up with a value error since that particular element is not available within the array. So let's try to see the syntax first and then probably we'll jump onto the example so that you understand the exact difference between pop and remove. Pop, as I said, you will be using index number to get to the element which you want to delete. Whereas over here, you need to specify the element which needs to be deleted. So array name dot remove, and then you specify the element. Unlike pop, where you specified the index. We can see that example. Yeah. Insert. Okay. Now this is insert. This pop. Yeah. So here we specified the index, and over here we are specifying the element. So that needs to be remembered well, or you'll mix up the two things and add elements on in pop, and in remove you'll add index. So in pop will use index, remove will use element that needs to be removed. And it will only remove the first occurrence of a particular element. Yeah. So let's see a basic example of remove method in arrays. So I have this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll add one more element 3 here. Since I'm deleting the element 3. Yeah. Since I want to delete the element 3, but there are two occurrences, it will only delete the first occurrence, as I said. Yeah. So let's see what is the output of the array. Here you can identify that my original array had 3 two times in the array. So it was at the position second, index second, and index 5. Yeah. But in the updated array, after removing this element, which is 3, we can see the last one is as it is, but the first occurrence, that is 3, which came first, has been removed from this particular list of items. Now, suppose I try to remove an element which is not available within a list. So it will come up with a value error. Value error if element is not available in the array. Yeah. So if I try to remove 8, which is not available in the array, anything which is not available in the array, you can specify any number apart from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just putting 8, which is not available in the array. So it should give me a value error. You see this? Value error because this particular number is not available within the array. Now you can remove all occurrence of a particular element within an array by using while loop. Yeah, uh, removing all occurrence of an element using while loop. Yeah, so suppose I have this array. We'll use the same array which was my original array. Yeah, and we'll use while loop. I'll say while 3, the element which we required, which was while 3 in my array dot remove 3. Yeah, or I'll say remove element is equal to 3, and I'll use this variable here. Okay, my array dot remove element, and then we'll see what is the output. So I'm iterating multiple times through this array, while over here I'm not iterating, so it is just removing the first occurrence here as 3. Over here it is iterating through the entire array and removing all the occurrence which has the number or the element as 3. So it has deleted all threes which are available in the array, and it is showing me the updated array as 1, 2, 4, and 5 without the element 3. So this is how you can use remove method along with some other method like while loop or various iteration methods to get your desired output. We can also remove all occurrence of an element using if condition. So I can remove using if condition. So I can you do the same thing using if condition. Yeah. Uh, if rem removing of element in my array dot remove element. Let's see whether it gives me the same output. Now here we have used if condition, but the concern here is it has only you remove the first occurrence. In order to remove or use the multiple occurrence, you have to use it along with for loop. Yeah. So we'll use for element in my array. So it will take check for each element within this array. It will check if element is the same as 3, then it will remove that particular element. Yeah. So using if condition, but we have to use for loop. Yeah. So it has removed all the elements which we have specified to remove from this entire array. Yeah. But this time using for and if condition. Okay. So there are various methods in which you can do a particular thing in Python, as I've told earlier. This is one of the way. So remove method is there, but you can use it in conjunction with various iterables as well, or looping items as well to get the desired out. Hope you understood the concept of remove method. Hope you liked the video and the examples that I have shared here. Uh, if you liked it, please like, please thumbs up and like the video. Do share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Also, if you have any comments, do comment with your views and feedback. Or if you have any inputs that will improve our knowledge and improve the content of this video. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This will help you to get such informative and simple explanations or concepts being clearly explained directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.